Welcome to Cape Coral, Florida, USA, known for its 400 miles of canals, even more than Venice, Italy. Now this video provides 10 reasons why people love Cape Coral. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Cape Coral, Florida, USA, population around 200,000. Now just for context, we have a map here. We have circled Cape Coral. Cape Coral is 20 minutes from Fort Myers and 2 hours and 30 minutes from Miami. Now this video provides 10 reasons why people love Cape Coral. People love Cape Coral because of Mile Cove Ecological Preserve. The preserve is a delightful 365-acre expanse of natural space. It's the second biggest preserved area of its kind in Cape Coral, so it's one of the must-see places to visit for outdoor enthusiasts. The area comprises of a river and a marshland, which you'll weave through by either kayaking on the waters or traversing a series of linked walking trails as you make your way from the waterfront to the jungle or vice versa. The boardwalk spans 1.2 miles and is linked with convenient benches to stop and rest at. Keep your eyes peeled as you might spot some wildlife ranging from eagles to snakes and from raccoons to herons. This is also a stop for migratory birds, so if you're here at the right time, you'll be able to see them. You might also spot dolphins as you feast your eyes on this coastal prairie. People love Cape Coral because of the Yacht Club Community Park and Beach. The park, also called the Cape Coral Yacht Club, is a fun community center open to the public. Originally constructed in the 1950s, the site is situated on the Caloosahatchee River shore and is the site of the city's hottest beach zone. The Yacht Club Community Park Beach is undoubtedly one of the most popular things to do in Cape Coral. Enjoy stretches of white sand as you build sandcastles, sunbathe, swim, and watch the sunset in tranquility on the shore. You can also go boating. Plenty of rental sites are available to get your hands on a vessel. If you like to fish, the Yacht Club Community Park also comes equipped with a long fishing dock upon which you can cast a line or two. If you're more of a swimmer but don't like the open beach waters, there's a community swimming pool that you can use as well. People love Cape Coral because of the Tom Allen Memorial Butterfly House. The house is situated in Rotary Park. It's easily one of the top 10 most beautiful things to see in the city of Cape Coral. Also sometimes called the Butterfly Garden, this institution is a preserve for native species of butterflies, serving as a sanctuary from predators. The park is volunteer staffed and is crucial to local butterfly populations. The site allows you to see all the 4 stages of a butterfly's life cycle, from the time it's an egg to the time it's bright wing. People love Cape Coral because of the farmers market. Head to the farmers market, a popular visit for people of all walks of life and one of the city's best sources of fresh food. Its schedule is seasonal, so check the market's calendar to ensure it'll be open while you're in town. Home to more than 120 vendors, the Cape Coral Farmers Market opened in 1993. It's home to a wide variety of stalls. You can find cheese, meats, produce, canned goods, seafood, baked goods, cut flowers, honey, native plants, street food, food truck goodies, and souvenirs. Running each Saturday from early morning to early afternoon, the market also often has musical performances to serenade you while you shop. People love Cape Coral because of the wicked Dolphin Rum Distillery. The distillery is well known throughout Florida among rum lovers and tourists in general. The popular distillery is one of the most fun Cape Coral attractions for adults, offering tours of its facility and information about its production processes. This is an award-winning establishment that grows its own sugarcane to create drinks, and it's also been open for just over a decade. Guided tours of the Wicked Dolphin Rum Distillery are led by experts. You'll learn about the distillery's ingredients and sourcing, how it cooks and ferments components, and what the distillery process involves. Samples are provided at the end of the tour. People love Cape Coral because of the Rotary Park Environmental Center. The center spans 97 acres of various different ecosystems, making it one of the must-visit things to do in Cape Coral for nature enthusiasts. Upland landscapes, ground-level rocks, salt marshes, connected via boardwalks, walking trails, kayak-suited waters, and lovely open park spaces. There's also a number of different facilities at the Royal Park Environmental Center. There's a big dog park where you can take your furry friends, several events and festivals, and a number of different classes for exercising, gardening, and more. People of Cape Coral because of the Sunsplash Family Water Park. If you're looking for fun things to do in Florida, you can't go wrong with Sunsplash Family Water Park. There are a few points of interest in Cape Coral more fun than Sunsplash Family Water Park. After all, Florida is known for its wide variety of water parks that take advantage of its bright, sunny seasons. The 14-acre establishment is packed with all manners of exciting things to enjoy for people of all ages. This is also Southwest Florida's biggest amusement location of its kind. You'll find tons of different slides at Sunsplash Family Water Park. There's Cape Fear, an adrenaline-pumping 30-foot drop, and Drop Slide, a free-falling, scream-worthy experience. You can also check out the most extreme on-site attraction, the Accelerator, which brings you up to speeds of 30 miles per hour and boasts a 4-foot drop. People of Cape Coral because of Coral Oaks Golf Course. One of the best things to do in Florida is to play a game of golf, and this course provides exactly that opportunity. Its well-manicured greens invites golfers of all skill levels to play its 18-hole par 72 championship course. The beautiful locale is tucked neatly into an oak hammock with a verdant environment that allows for a relaxing golfing experience. Coral Oaks Golf Course has a total of 37 bunkers and 8 lakes, offering a decent challenge for more experienced players and a good test of accuracy. The course also has a driving range in a big practice area that has its own putting green and chipping area too. People of Cape Coral because of the Southwest Florida Military Museum and Library. The museum and library is an establishment focused on honoring and preserving military history. It uses interpretive information and a wide range of memorabilia from the military to dedicate its mission to the American military from the Revolutionary War right up to today. There's no fee to enter the Southwest Florida Military Museum and Library, making it one of Cape Coral's most interesting free things to do. Within its 34,000 square foot expanse, you'll find literature, displays, artifacts, and more, with occasional seasonal events to add variety to the experience. People of Cape Coral because of the Cardboard Boat Regatta. The regatta is one of the most unique tourist attractions in Cape Coral, and it's one of the top experiences you'll have in this part of Florida. It's held every April, and it's been an ongoing local feature since 1990s. Organized and carried out by the Rotary Club of Cape Coral, this wacky and exciting event involves racing boats out on the water, but there's a catch. The boats must be made of cardboard. Teams participating in the regatta have to put their heads together to do all they can to create a resilient boat while still following the regatta's rules. The reasons provided in this video are not all the reasons why people love Cape Coral. If you've got a reason why you love Cape Coral, pop it in the comment section. I'll make another video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Ciao for now!